Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or disable 5G on iPhone. So if you want to turn off or disable 5G on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable 5G on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on cellular data or mobile data. So this depends on your location. If you see cellular data, click on it, and if you see mobile data, click on it. Now go ahead and click on cellular data options. Under cellular data options, you have few options here. Now locate and click on voice and data. Under voice and data, there is 5G auto, there is 5G, and there is LTE. With 5G auto, your iPhone will use 5G whenever the network is available. And with 5G on, your iPhone will use 5G when it's available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So turning off 5G will increase your battery performance. Now, to turn off or disable 5G, just come down here and choose LTE. Once you selected LTE, then you're good to go. So that is exactly what you need to do when you want to turn off or disable 5G on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.